To create a teardrop or a droplet shape in Affinity is actually surprisingly easy, and I found this last night and I had to show you. So what we're going to do is start by going to the shape tool. We've got lots of different shapes. We're going to go down to the tear tool, and what you can do is click and drag and create any sort of tear you like. We could go for a quite large one. There we go, that looks pretty good. Let's chunk up the stroke weight because I can't see anything. There we go, that's a bit better. Do we have any presets? I don't think we do for this one. No, sad times. Never mind. What we can do is press U to go back to the shape tool, and we could edit the properties at the top, but I find it much easier to edit them directly on the canvas with these orange control points. And I was actually working on a logo yesterday that needed this shape, and I thought I'd give this tool a go, and was pretty blown away by the result. So you can adjust to this bit here, the bend as it's known. And we can then pull this down or up to round it off. We could adjust the position of the tail. So I'm learning teardrop terminology now. And we can even check this option here, fixed ball size. Now it does cock it up a bit, but what we can do is we can then adjust it. And we can effectively, oh, look at that. We can sculpt our perfect teardrop. I'm flipping impressed with that. That is a cool tool. Oh, nice rhyme down.